In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Brevo in just a few easy steps. Handling email campaigns effectively involves ensuring that your recipients have the option to unsubscribe if they choose to. This is not only a best practice, but also a requirement in many regions to comply with email marketing regulations. So, let's walk through the process together. It's simpler than you might think, and should only take a few minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Brevo's website. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you haven't used Brevo in a while, you might need to reset your password or check your email for login details. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where you'll see various options and features at your disposal, including campaigns, contacts, and analytics. To get started with adding your unsubscribe link, find your way to the Campaigns section of the dashboard. Then, navigate to Settings, followed by Default Settings. This pathway is where you'll be able to adjust the default settings for your campaigns. Navigating through this menu can seem a bit daunting at first, but it becomes much easier once you've done it a few times. Once you're in the default settings, there will be a section labeled Default Campaign Settings. This is where you'll need to modify the default footer field. You want to make sure that the text for the unsubscribe link is clearly visible and easy for your contacts to access. It's important that the clickable text for the unsubscribe option is enclosed in curly brackets. As an example, you might use the word "here" to make it clear and straightforward. The brackets tell Brevo to treat this as a clickable link, allowing the recipient to unsubscribe with ease. After you've made the necessary changes to this field, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the section, and click on it. This action updates your campaign settings to ensure that the unsubscribe link is included in all future email communications. And that's it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your Brevo email campaigns. By taking these steps, you're not only complying with legal requirements for email marketing, but you're also practicing good customer communication, allowing your recipients the choice to manage their subscription preferences easily. If you ever need to update this link or adjust your other email settings, you can follow this same process. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and empowers you to enhance your email campaigns with ease and confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy emailing.